Alright. So, ito po ay speech ni Papa 'no, Papa Secretary. Ah, Kailan ba 'to? Ano lang siya, ah, kahapon, November 10, ayan. Speech niya, pakinggan natin,
Everybody knows that poverty is a problem of all countries in the world. So much so that in September 2015, the United Nations uh, called a conference among 183 countries, and a resolution was adopted, which is the 2030 resolution for sustainable development. Meaning, there is a target in 2030 that all poverty alleviation of all countries ideally are solved. And do you know that China has solved its poverty problem 10 years ahead of the target of the United Nations. Congratulations, China. And I love China
Wow!
because I visited.
Paano 'yan? Yung mga nagsasabi na pro-China ka. Mismong cabinet secretary ni BBM.
China only a few months ago, and I have seen with my own eyes how China has developed into a really an economic power. Um,
Ayan, binisita daw niya, tingnan natin. Totoo nga naman binisita niya. Ayan, oh.
Hi mga katropa, mga kababayan ko. Nandito ako sa Jinjiang City dito sa Fujian Province sa may China. At nandito ako sa Jose Rizal Memorial Monument na ipinatayo ng mga Chinese bilang pag-alala sa ating national hero na si Dr. Jose Rizal. Yang estatwa na yan, yung rebulto na yan ay makikita nyo ay kagayang-kagaya nung nasa Luneta Park natin. At alam nyo ba na napakalaki nitong park na inilaan nila para kay Dr. Jose Rizal?
Sa US kaya, meron kayang ganito? Memorial Park na pinatayo in memory sa any of our national heroes.
Napakalaki at napakaganda. At this is in the middle of the city of Jinjiang. At nandito ito sa Fujian Province, dito sa China. Napakaganda nitong lugar at napakalawak. At ito ang rebulto lamang na nandito ay si Dr. Jose Rizal lamang. At kaya ito na nila ginawa sapagkat si Dr. Jose Rizal pala ay descendant ng mga taga China, particularly dito sa Fujian Province. Ayan. Ang ganda-ganda nitong park na ito, well maintained. At talagang kanilang inaalagaan, pati yung mga puno, yung mga halaman, mga bulaklak. At ito ay kanilang talagang binabantayan. Oo.
Kung China ay descendant din pala natin, ang US naman ay colonizer natin. Yun yung contribution ng US. Mananakop kumbaga. Ito pa.
Ipinatayo noong year 2020. At
2020.
kita natin dito na napakaganda nitong park na ito. This is in the middle of the city of Fujian. Jinjiang City, I mean.
Ito yun, Yan. Monument ni Jose Rizal, parang sa Luneta Park. Meron bang ganyan sa Amerika? Walang ginawang Amerika kundi digmaan.
I would like to thank the Chinese people for honoring our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal.
Oh, yung hate na hate ang China dyan. Oh, tingnan nyo naman to, oh. Na-appreciate nila si Jose Rizal. Sariling atin. Pero, ang ginagawa natin, nagpapauto sa mga kano. Hmm? Oh, balik tayo doon sa nagsabing I love China.
I have read a book also, given to me by my host in China. This book is titled Out of Poverty, Why China Made It. So I learned a lot from here. And I was also given a copy of the book written by the Honorable His Excellency, the President of China, Xi Jinping. And I'm going to read this again. I learned that China adopted very simple steps in resolving the problem of poverty. And that is this is what they call the China 3 steps. Number 1 is to ensure food security.
Oh, food security daw, Mr. President.
And number 2 is to achieve moderately a prosperous life for the citizens. And number 3, a relatively affluent life. In step number 3, we know now that there is no hunger in China. The food security has been solved, and allowing moderately prosperous
Nangyayari sa atin food scarcity.
life is already achieved. And now, on the third step, a relatively affluent life is now being achieved. In fact, when I went to China, I was so surprised that a lot of cars there are high-end cars. I did not see an old, dilapidated car in China. Mostly,
Oh, paano yan? Yung secretary ninyo, bilib na bilib sa China o pro-China na to. Anong gagawin ninyo? Tatanggalin ba ninyo ito? Dahil traitor sa bayan ito? Secretary pa man din?
are hybrid type of cars. And you can see a lot of Mercedes-Benz, Lexus, what you have there.
Ay, marami yan sa Pilipinas. Ang may-ari nga lang yung mga confy, extraordinary politicians.
And they have a lot of China-made cars which are also good.
China-made cars. So yung isang may coach dyan na nagsasabi-sabi na, ayan, yung mga electric cars parang galing China, kinukundi na.
I was
Pero itong secretary ninyo, bilib na bilib.
driven around using a BYD.
Oh, BYD.
A BYD
Kahit dito sa Hong Kong, talagang yung BYD.
van,
May bago na nga ngayon, Maxus. Search nyo.
which is better than its Japan counterpart, the what do you call this? Alphard.
Mm. Wala. Dinadown niya yung Japan ninyo, di ba?
Because the BYD is an electric car. So it runs very smoothly. I went to the Three Gorges Dam using that car.
Puntahan natin yung
And
sinasabi.
also going around the cities.
BYD.
And to achieve the 3 steps that I have discussed a while ago, China saw to it that they have focused their energies on agriculture, and they believe in the land for the tillers philosophy. So that is why they gave the lands
Wow.
to the
Ganda.
peasants, what we call peasants, or the farmers. And the industrialization efforts. You can see a lot of factories in China. They manufacture from glasses to clothing, cars, computers, everything. China has invaded the whole world.
Nakaw! Yun ang pinagkaiba. Tama yan. Kahit di pa niya ituloy, China has invaded the whole world. In what way? Sa business. Lahat ng gamit natin, China-made. Bakit? Bukod sa high-tech, mas mura. Tingnan niyo yung BYD. Halos mas gwapo pa nga doon sa Tesla eh. Mas affordable yun. Pero, ang mga kano invaded the world sa anong paraan? Armas. Gusto gera. Ito namang gobyernong ito, himod na himod.
Through commerce.
True commerce.
And what is good with the China philosophy is that they will only prosper if the world prospers. That is why you can see that China is
They will only prosper if the world prospers. So, sama-sama, kumbaga. Yun yung totoong sama-samang babangon muli. Ang ginagawa ng gobyerno ito, sama-samang babangon muli. Pero sila lang.
helping a lot of countries, assisting in their projects, transferring technology. A lot of things are being done by China now, just to help the other countries. So long live China.
Ay, paano na yan? Long live China daw. Tatanggalin kaya ito dahil himod naman nito ang China? Secretary ni PBBM to.
And this is very interesting. When I went to Fujian province, I was brought by my host in China to the monument of Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero.
Yun, ito yan.
Only very few people in the Philippines know that there is a monument of Dr. Jose Rizal in Fujian in China.
Ayan.
You know that the monument of Dr. Jose Rizal, our national hero, is much bigger and taller than the monument here in Luneta.
What a shame.
So I was really so happy seeing that our national hero is being treated like a hero also in China. And there is a park dedicated to him. The park is bigger than the grounds of Malacanang Palace. And I've seen a lot of developments in China. I've been to the Three Gorges Dam. I think one of the reasons of the success of China is the power generation. I've been to Three Gorges Dam, which is considered as at the time, only a few months ago, this is considered as the biggest hydroelectric dam in the world. And then His Excellency Ambassador Wang Xinyan told me a while ago that there is now a much bigger dam, which is
Nako.
called Shi Langdi Dam. Do you know that Three Gorges Dam, which at that time when I visited China, was the biggest hydroelectric dam, and it produces 6,200 megawatts of free electricity. And my host
Yung sinasabi ni Marcos nung kampanya na yung isang problema natin is yung power. May mga sinasabi siyang mga solution dyan, di ba? Like yung, ano yung sinabi niya? Yung mga hydroelectric plant, mga ganun. O kaya yung solar, mga ganun. Asan na ngayon yung mga yan? Ito, Three Gorges Dam, ang laki na yun. Tapos ngayon, may bago na. Mas malaki pa. Sa atin, wala tayong ginawa kundi paghimod puwet sa mga kano.
the biggest
Wala namang dulot yan kundi giyera lang.
construction company
Maling-mali eh. Yung niyayakap natin, yung para sana sa ikauunlad ng bansa natin. Pero ang niyayakap natin, dahil West Philippine Sea, atin to. Kahit na sige sabihin na natin nakuha natin yung West Philippine Sea, ni hindi nga natin matayuan yung Ayungin Shoal ng ano, barko lang na sira-sira. Wala tayong hindi tayo dapat magpayaman muna tayo. Magpayaman muna tayo para kaya nating mag-build ng mga kung ano-anong structures diyan sa West Philippine Sea na 'yan. Eh tingnan nyo, Vietnam, even Vietnam, nakapagpatayo sila ng mga airstrip nila diyan, kung ano-ano dahil may kakayahan sila. Eh tayo kahit na naangkin natin 'yan, kung wala din naman hindi natin kayang wala tayong kagamitan na kumuha ng mga natural resources diyan. Kasi ang hirap ng bansa natin. Ay nako.
company in China told me that they showed me a scale model of what they are building now, which will become operational in 2025. They are building another two big dams within the vicinity of Three Gorges Dam, what's each. So imagine, they will now have, in 2025, almost 20,000 megawatts of free electricity.
Wow.
You can just imagine that.
Kailan kaya yung ganyan
This is the
natin?
reason why the China industrialization has become so successful. Because
Oo, kaya yung mga factories ng mga iba-ibang companies na taga ibang bansa, eh sa China sila nagfa-factory.
the biggest input in manufacturing,
Even Apple
is
factory.
electricity. It eats up around 30 to 40% of the cost of production. And you can just imagine why is it that the China products are so affordable
Mm,
and the quality is now world class
mm.
and so affordable
Oh,
because they have a very low cost of electricity. And the ambassador, the good ambassador, told me that this new dam, which was only inaugurated,
move tayo dyan sa dam na yun.
you can just imagine. And I've been also to a lot of waste to energy plants in China, which are so impressive.
Ayun waste to energy plant. Yung mga basura o yung mga nasasayang, kino-convert yan into energy. Sa atin, ultimo nga lang mga magsasaka natin, no? Nasasayang o waste, nasasayang yung kanilang pinaghirapan na tinanim na mga pananim dahil import, 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 import. Samantalang ito literal na yung mga waste, yung mga nasasayang ay kino-convert into energy.
Because they are so big, and one plant produces 15 megawatts, which is enough to give electricity to 30,000 households.
Nako,
They
galing.
have several of this. Every province has this kind of waste to energy
Every
plants.
province.
They burn at least 7,000 tons of garbage, and they produce 15 megawatts of electricity every day. So the structure of industrialization in China is so impressive. And I think this is one of the major or the top reason why China industrialization has been achieved much earlier than what they have expected also. Since 1921, from the founding of the Communist Party of China, and they have achieved 10 years ahead the target of the United Nations for alleviating poverty in the world. And I think in the Philippines, we have a lot of work to do because the only reason, the best solution to poverty alleviation is to provide jobs to our people. But as of now, the setup is so difficult to do because we have a very high electricity cost, high water cost, a very high communication cost. And the problem with this is that this basic or most important public utilities are are privately owned. Unlike before, during the time of President Marcos, the public utilities like electricity and water are all state-owned and state-managed. And unless we go back to that kind of setup, I don't think we can achieve poverty alleviation in the next 10 years.
Wala na. Yung trabaho na binigay kay Gadon. Saka idagdag mo na rin 'yan, Secretary Gadon, na yung sinasabi mo hindi na 'yan maa-achieve through, initiation ng China. Bakit? Kasi nga nagkakaroon na tayo ng tension dahil nga yung himod-puwet ng president diyan sa mga kano. Wala na, binawi nga yung project doon sa ano, 'di ba, sa railway system sa Mindanao.
Well, thank you so much.
Sabihin mo ulit, I love China.
And I would like to thank China for continuously maintaining friendship with the country, Philippines,
Di nga.
and that we have a very long history of friendship and cooperation, and I hope that will continue in the future. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang China.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas and mabuhay ang China. Paano 'yan? Tanggalin niyo na 'to. Maka-China 'to, eh.